Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a word art to your Google Docs. So here if I start with a blank document, so here if I want to add a word art, for that I need to click on insert and then click on drawing. Here click on the plus icon and here in the actions button you will see a word art button. You need to click on it and after clicking you need to type your text that you want to be converted into word art. So I'm going to type in word art and then click enter. And here you will see your text. If you want to edit this text, you can change its color, you can change its outline. If you want to change its border to blue, you can change it, and you can change the weight of your border as well. If you want to make your border thicker, so this will make your border thicker, and you can change the style of the border as well. If you want it dotted or you want to in dashes, so you have got all of the options. You can change the font as well. If you want Calibri, you have got all the famous Comic Sans, etc. And if you want to resize, you can click and drag on the corner boxes. If you want to move it, you can double click and drag it around. And one of the interesting things is gradient. If you click on this box and then go to gradient, you can add a custom gradient. Click on the plus and here you have to click on add, select the gradient color and then again click on add, select the gradient color, and you can do it as long as you want. You can adjust the shading as well in the slider, and here in the preview you will see live changes. So personally I like 45 degree the best, and if you click OK, you will see that your word art has been edited. If you want to post it on your docs, you need to click on save and close, and there you go. You have got a beautiful piece of word art. If you want to re-edit it, you need to click on edit again, and here you can re-edit your word art. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.